One of the things that we are attempting to do is make our resources a little bit easier for Patty to print. We know that there's going to be some time constraints in that process. And so, looking through what is posted, what we want to have out there for the printable version is obviously the suggested learning plan as well as the materials that are needed for print. And if you take a look at this, there's a couple ways we can go about it. In this video, I'm going to show you if you're using Google Docs and all of your materials are in an editable version, how you could do that in a very quick, easy way. And then I will also have available for you a tutorial on, if you're using PDFs, a quick way to combine those and make it so that you have a one print document for Patty. So looking at a copy of Dr. Edwards' plan has the new problem solving task plus his 2 spiral practices and then a task for the week. And his plan, if you review it, has those items just listed out for the entire week. So for a printable version, what we are going to do is we're going to open up those tasks and just copy and paste them below the template of the learning plan. That way, those families that don't have access to internet, they can read the instructions. Some of those families can't even get to this online, and some of our materials, if we just include the tasks that are printed, kind of assume that they know. But we are also going to be looking at consolidating some packets. So 6th grade will have one packet, 7th grade will have one packet. So this will also provide or act as a divider in that packet so that parents know what content that portion of the packet is intended for, right along with the instructions for that material. Opening up task 2 first. While that opens, I'm going to start putting in some placeholders. So he has a task 2. And I just like to change this into some sort of heading so that it stands out when they open it. And then he also has spiral practice 1, spiral practice 2, and then task 1. I'm going to try and stick to the phrasing that he used. So he's got new. Number 2. I'm going to change these to headings real quick. And then all I need to do is just copy over the work that he indicated would be easily printed. I'm going to save the answers to check for last because I'm going to actually open that up and make sure that that's available for printing. So I have his tasks available here, and then I'm going to grab a copy of the answers to check. Which look like they are in a PDF. So I'm going to quickly screenshot. Then I'm going to insert those screenshots into his packet. Try these last 4. that, I just went ahead and held down Shift as I selected the 4 images. Now I have his answers in here, as well as the 4 different images that are necessary for solving that. And then students will be able to complete that task, also have access to those answers, students and parents, because realistically, there's a lot of parents reaching out wanting to be able to help their students. So this is a great way for us to be able to do that for them. Okay, the next thing we need is the spiral practice. I'm going to open all of these real quick. So spiral practice 1, spiral practice 2, and then the task number 1. And as I allow those to open, it looks like there's actually one more. So unit work. I'm going to guess that maybe this is the site that's listed. So we'll leave that off of the printable packet. We will get ready here for the spiral practice. And then he's got the answers right here on the bottom of this one, so that's great. Just holding Shift and highlighting everything to move it over. Command V to paste it. And I'm ready for spiral practice number 2. Copy that over. And then we're ready for the last document, which is task number 1. And it looks like this one also has the answers supplied at the bottom. Now, the nice thing with using those headings that I outlined it with is I have an easy way as a teacher to kind of jump to the different spots in this document. So if I want to go preview and just edit, if there's anything necessary to edit for this new problem solving task, I can do that. I can jump right down to where the spiral practice starts. Maybe you want to include that at the start of a new page. Command Enter will just bump you down to a new page. And then I can check out the spiral practice number 2 and then task number 1. And all of the materials are here. They're in one place. And now all I need to do is take the link for this document and put that link onto the printable sheet that is going to be the guidance for Patty. Again, we are going to consolidate all the 8th grade materials into one packet, all the 6th grade materials into a packet, all the 7th grade materials as well. And with that, then parents, when they come in, or students, when they come in, they only have to grab one packet. High school is going to be a little bit different with that because they obviously have all very different courses. So they'll be laid out by course. So let's go ahead and update the link on our spreadsheet for Patty. And this was 8th grade math. So I'm going to go down, find 8th grade math. If you forget how to hyperlink, so I just typed the label for it here, 8th grade math. If you've forgotten how to hyperlink, it's right here. It says insert link, and I copy and pasted the URL. Hit paste, and then hit apply. Now, when we go to consolidate it, we just need that one document from 8th grade math in order to mesh that together with all of the other 8th grade materials.